Hi, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 28th March to 4th April. This is an interesting week and an interesting month because of the full moon on the 28th of March, which brings all the emotions to the fore. The bonds that will strengthen. The bonds that are meant to break will break, and all of you who feel that emotions were subdued will come out. So Virgo, things will definitely change, and you will see a lot of truth. But you're still walking away, and you're still worried about something. I want to clarify this. Okay, so you're saying that I offered this cup of love to somebody, but I was the only one. Sorry, I'm so sorry about this. My camera moved. So you offered somebody some cup, and you were the only one working hard. You were the only one, doing the work in this connection. Let me clarify the Eight of Wands for you. Is this a new person or the same person? This is a new person, definitely. Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. This is somebody who's actually was not very sure about you in the past, but now they have a lot of fire, they have a lot of determination when it comes to this connection, and they're coming forward this week with you, for the union with you or for you. Let us see what the oracle cards have. I think this connection, older one needs to go, though there is love. There is love from your side, I feel, more so. Hierophant, the sun. Yeah, the sun has come twice, so you will see the right things. Something will come to the fore this week, and yeah, the judgment. Things will change, and I think you should accept this new offer that you're getting. This is what I feel. Let us see what the universe has for you. So, okay. Universe says be true to yourself. So, ask yourself whether you really, really want to stay in this connection and keep it simple. It's not always about being right, Virgo. I think you have a tendency to prove other people wrong, and don't stay in a connection just because you want to be proven right. Is what I'm trying to say. Be true to yourself. You may not understand what's going on in their life, but you always can figure out what's going on in yours. If you don't understand other person's perspective, at least be true to yourself and say, okay, maybe this connection needs a little bit of work for myself, or I need to work on myself. Also give that a thought. Keep it simple. Asking someone to change is like pruning a tree, neither will be ever same again. So don't expect, like, again, universe is asking you to work on yourself clearly, because I feel this perspective that you're having is limited to your needs and your wish and wants, and not the other person's perspective. It's not only about being right. In all tests of character, when two viewpoints are pitted against each other, in the final analysis, the thing that will strike you the most is not who was right or wrong, strong or weak, wise or foolish, but who went to the greatest strength in learning other person's perspective. So I think universe is clearly guiding you to look at the other person's perspective in the current relationship before you jump onto the other and make the same mistake again, because you need a lot of work. I'm sorry, I'm being blunt. Not here to sugarcoat words and be dishonest with you. If you need a clear message, I think the universe is saying that you need to work on yourself, because maybe you are being too righteous. You are not looking things from other person's perspective, and that's why the pain. That's why the problems. Let's see some more cards from the universe. Let's see some more cards from the universe. Yeah, so hope, definitely. It's saying that no matter what, don't lose hope. Have fun, and also you need to heal. Working on yourself. Healing includes working on yourself. Healing is a part of working on yourself. So you need to heal and have fun, and also don't lose hope if things have not been working out in your favor in the past, because things will start to work out, is what they're saying. Once you work on yourself, things will turn out to be good, because this week is all about changes. This month is all about bringing emotions to the core. whether yours or the other person's. So how you can handle the situation is with patience. It says you need to have patience and hope, and things will turn out to be good. You might not see results immediately, but in the near future, you will start to see results. Is what I'm getting. So this is all I have for you this week. If you like what I do, subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet next week. Bye bye.